Hey my lovelies, hi Polumi here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to sit down and talk to you guys about a product which I received yesterday. So the brand Indus Valley has gifted me this particular hair softener pack or a kit, which is, so this is basically their DIY kit. So I'm just going to use this particular product over here for the first time, and I'm just going to let you know how this works on me. So yeah, without any more further blabbering, let's dive into the actual video. So basically this kit comes with 3 products inside it, as you can see. So first one is this organic amla powder, so which is basically this one. This is how the packaging looks like. And then we have this bio-organic extra virgin olive oil, and then we have this cute little essential oil. So this kit retails for 273 INR. This is free from animal testing, it is vegan, and then it is non-allergic tested. So these are the things that you can keep in mind while buying this particular kit over here. So now, as you have already seen that how to use the product, how my hair was looking after using the product. So basically this is how my hair is looking right now. It is actually soft, very soft. I am thoroughly impressed with how the product performed on my hair. Honestly, I was not expecting this much from this particular product over here. So this is basically their DIY kit. You can easily purchase it and you can do like a hair treatment at the convenience of your home. So this is what you can basically do with the kit, and they have a huge variety of kits they offer, and you can definitely choose from those kits. So yeah, this was my first impression on this particular Indus Valley bio-organic hair softener kit over here. I thoroughly enjoyed using this particular product. It really softened my hair, and I am just loving this entire feel. Actually, my hair is feeling like I have freshly washed and shampooed and then conditioned it. So you basically get the feeling of a shampooed and conditioned hair without actually shampooing and conditioning it. So yeah, this is basically a hair mask that is going to soften your hair, and at the same time it is going to, because amla is so good for hair, we all know. So amla is going to do its own good things to your hair. At the same time, it is going to soften your hair. So you're basically going to get like 2 things from one particular product. So I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys too enjoy using their products, and if you guys have already enjoyed and used any of their product, do let me know in the comment section below. I will be happy to know what products you have used, and I will be eager to try them out. So I'm just going to write in detail about this particular product in the description box, and I'm just going to leave a link from where you can buy this particular product. So yeah, I'm just going to leave everything down below in the description box. And if you want to know how I achieved this particular makeup look over here, that will also be given down in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what products that you have tried, and if you have enjoyed watching this particular video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.